What's up, everybody? It's Thursday morning here, just about ready to button up the truck, start getting loaded up, and head north to the Indiana State Fairgrounds for the Wheel Jamboree this weekend. First time doing an event like this. Truck's pretty much all ready to go. Got to throw the lower waterproofing on, do the bed sides and top waterproofing, and then fill up some fuel cans, fill up the truck, and then start loading up. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse here, show you guys a little bit what all goes into this, and then keep you updated on the trip. These are some of the things you'll run into the day of trying to load up and get out of here. Just sprayed some Prism in there to lube up the blower. I was going to turn it over a little bit, and she sounds like she's hydro-locked. So about to pull some plugs and try and figure out what's going on. So keep you posted on that. Morning, guys. It's about 8 o'clock Friday. Got in about 3 o'clock last night. Weren't planning on driving the whole way, but ended up doing it anyways. Quick recap on the truck of what I found. Drained the water out of the cylinder, turned it over a little bit by hand, get all the water out, and then cranked it up. And didn't notice any mist or anything like that, so not really a good determination on that, but we're going to take a chance, keep an eye on it, and run it for today. So wish us luck on that. About to start trying to get figured out on where we need to get the truck, and driver's been eating at 9, so see how it goes. Got about 30 minutes until gates open up and people start coming in. Give you a little preview of the track here. Just a pretty simple 2-jump hill and hole. In the middle there, you can see the dozer touching up the left jump, but the middle jump's going to be a long jump competition for, I believe, monsters and mega trucks later. But you can see plenty of room for fans. I think fans are going to open up, or gates are going to open up in about 30 minutes, so get ready for it. Trucks out here, real short track, so it leaves not a lot of room to gain up speed. So we got to be perfect the whole way. We just got 2 jumps and finish line. Not a whole lot of crowd today, but that's a Friday for you. Hopefully more tomorrow. These passes count for our overall, so still got to put down some good passes. Going to try and keep it straighter. Last run fell into some ruts and zigzagged all over the place. Cost us a lot of time having to let out and straighten up. So if I can keep it straight this time, I can gain a lot of time and hopefully keep up our average for good times for the rest of the weekend. Getting started for day 2 here. Fans are starting to roll in and already looking like a lot more fans today, being Saturday than Friday. Little recap on second run yesterday. Was a lot faster than the first, gained about 3/10 I think, and still room for improvement. If I can keep the truck straight and stay in the throttle more, it'll end up being quicker. We got about half a second to catch up to the leader. Sitting in 6th, gonna hang out with some fans, hopefully sign some autographs and do a little meet and greet later today, and then get started racing at round 5. First pass today was a lot better. We were able to get straight, stay in the throttle, made up a lot of time. Not sure what the time was, but if we can do that again, I think we'll be bumping ourselves up in the standings. So. About 2 hours away from home. Ended up 5th for the weekend. We just couldn't quite find the traction off the line to catch up with the guys ahead of us. All the times were real close, and really this weekend came down to a matter of traction and power to weight ratio. You know, we were only running about 4.5 second runs, so not a lot of time to make up if you didn't get a good start or had to fight ruts. So had a great time though. Definitely hope we can come back and do some more Jamboree type events. Like I said, it's a lot different than your typical mud bog or mud race. You get to interact with the fans a little bit more, and just a cool atmosphere to be around. So gonna try and provide you guys with a little bit more insight on some of the work that goes into the trucks, getting ready, fixing stuff that breaks, and whatever we come up with. So if you like this video, you know, drop a like and comment if you've ever heard of a mega truck before seeing this video, or if you've seen us in person. Let me know where you've seen them at. So subscribe if you want to see more racing videos and more behind the scenes stuff, and whatever else we come up with. So we'll see you later. Always got to stop at Buc-ee's though.